This is Kulali and her owner Garth. Garth was a successful engineer who started building Kulali as his final life project. Unfortunately, Garth never got to see her finished. I've been lucky enough to take the challenge on of completing her build and one day to sail her around the world. Similar to Garth, I'm a passionate engineer who loves to know how things work and how to build things. Join me on this journey to bring Garth's dream to life. This is Sailing Kulali.
We're going to remove these now from yesterday. Alright, so we're just going to put a fillet all the way around there. A 3D printed disc which has different radiuses, and that's just going to go around there and hopefully create a nice finish. There goes nothing. Alright, that looks like shit. I'm not sure how to make that better. Here we go, let's pull this thing off. You know, there's a problem when I don't even know how to put masking tape off. Oh god. That does not work. Alright, that's it. Next time I've got to mask it better, and yeah, just got to mask it better, and I think it will come out really nice. The surface finish is pretty good. Pretty happy about that. If I fall off here, that would be very shit. I'm going to put a string across there. Okay, so these little things were 3D printed, and they've got a 3mm gap here and a 10mm leg here. And the idea is that you put it there, and it's going to hold the window out by 3mm and position it. Obviously they're not going to work down here because it won't come out, but you can put it in the corner there. Cool. Alright, so you can see that's in. Those are those 3D printed things. They're working pretty well. Yeah, so now I just got to take the masking tape off the other side, take that side off, and then sand alley back again, and then I can bond it. Alright, step one is to acetone this, or isopropyl it. Step 3 is the guide coat. No, and it's not called a guide coat, it's called a blackout coat. This needs to be pretty thin, nothing crazy. Woo! Oh no, I cracked the lens. That's the blackout coat done. Okay, again, probably could have gone a bit more, but on the inside it looks like quite a bit came out, so that's all right. That's okay. Just gonna hot glue this in place. All right, number 3 is gonna be the same, so we'll time lapse that. Build that up way higher than the other one, so let's see what that looks like. Cool, so that one came. Oh no, I just destroyed that thing. Fuck. Okay, so you can see that came out quite a lot more, so I've got the amounts dialed in now. This one, there's quite a big void in there actually, so I'm going to try and fill that up now. And then this is the first one that we did, and it's pretty strong. Like, it takes 20 days for it to set, but that's already pretty bloody strong. Yeah. Alright, so now we just clean this back again, clean that back, just like the first window, and we're 3 windows deep.
So what happened is, if you look here, if you look all this thing that's on the edge, that thing can be cleaned up later on.